In today's ever-evolving job market, students need more than just a traditional CV or resume to make a lasting impression. Your students need more than just grades. They need a captivating narrative to stand out. Why? Because employers seek individuals who not only excel academically, but can also communicate their skills uniquely. This self-paced course is designed to empower educators and faculty like you to guide students in showing off their accomplishments, talents, and knowledge. In other words, we will help you help your students to learn to craft compelling narratives that showcase their unique strengths in any situation, for a job interview, an end-of-year project, or an art degree. In this course, we will be using Adobe Express and Adobe Acrobat. We'll explore the art of blending creativity with academic achievements, showcasing a student's journey beyond just their grades. Hi, my name's Liana Mahraj. I'm the Global Head of Student Learning and Certification Programs at Adobe. This year alone, we have reached nearly 500,000 students worldwide, and we're expanding. For over 2 decades, I have coached and mentored individuals on how to create CVs, resumes, and portfolios that have helped them to get jobs, promotions, and stand out in the marketplace. In the next 60 minutes, you will learn how to help students create CVs, resumes, and portfolios that can become a canvas, illustrating their passions, projects, and growth. Thank you for joining us. By learning with us today, you'll equip your students with the tools to stand out in a crowded job market. Join us in revolutionizing how we prepare the leaders of tomorrow. Let's turn their academic journey into a captivating story of success. Here at Adobe, we define resumes, CVs, and portfolios a little bit differently than usual. We believe that learning to design a creative resume or a creative portfolio is crucial to student success after high school and college. But what exactly does that mean? A creative resume is design-driven. It breaks away from traditional formats, utilizing innovative layouts. It has infographic elements. For example, it can incorporate visual representations to highlight key achievements. A creative resume also includes personal branding. It reflects individuals' personality and unique qualities. And often, it has multimedia integration. When appropriate, it embeds links or QR codes to projects, presentations, or relevant online content. Similarly, we encourage students to make a creative portfolio that really makes them shine. What is a creative portfolio exactly? It is visually engaging. For example, we will show you and your students how to incorporate design elements, graphics, and multimedia for an eye-catching presentation. A creative portfolio is a holistic showcase. It goes way beyond grades, illustrating passions, projects, and personal growth. It is storytelling. We encourage students to craft their portfolio as a narrative, weaving together academic achievements and individual journeys. And it has dynamic content that allows for interactive elements and varied mediums to showcase diverse skills. In essence, a creative portfolio, resume, CV for students today blend visual appeal, storytelling, and multimedia elements to present a comprehensive and memorable representation of their academic and personal journey. Well, enough talking. Let's get to work. We will model how to use Adobe Acrobat and Express with your students to create standout resumes, CVs, and portfolios. Below each video, you will see lots of examples of projects you can implement right away in your courses. When you finish this course, after 60 minutes or so, you can access pre-made templates, lessons, projects, and assets to use in your courses right away. In addition, once you submit your assignment, you can get a badge and a certificate for all of the hard work you've put in. Okay, let's get creating.